believe God can heal AIDS. I know that they say you can't be, but I believe God can heal AIDS. I don't believe anything you can get, God can get rid of.